Day 2 of renovations. Let me start by giving you an official walkthrough of the house. This is our neighborhood, and this is the home, and this is a major project. Love the U driveway. We're gonna put pavers here. House desperately needs a paint job. I love the charm of the front door. Absolutely leaving this when we replace the door. This is awesome. We started renovating yesterday. This is the living room. And I love that it's open concept and that it has really high ceilings. So these ceilings are just cathedral. They're actually higher than it looks here. And then we have this beautiful wood accent ceiling here. That's the hallway to 2 bedrooms and bathrooms. This was a custom home built by a couple in the late 80s. Our wraparound balcony, which is so awesome because it goes all the way from there, all the way around here, and then down. So through the living space, we're gonna move to where the kitchen will be. There's no kitchen there right now. And we have these beautiful sunset views because our home is a little higher up. We have the stairs to the garage. It's currently getting power washed. And a half bath, which yes, we will be redoing. Here's where the kitchen is gonna go with the gigantic 7-foot island. You know I love to cook. Another cathedral ceiling, which is just so fun. And we have a beautiful table that's gonna go here. Okay? The house has a custom bar that the owners built. And if you saw my other videos, she left me photos of them building this together. And this is actually really high-end marble, so we're gonna keep the floors here. I don't know what we're gonna do with this bar area. Give me ideas. We're gonna keep the tile work. We might need to do something with black shelves. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. We are absolutely going to be doing a lot of hosting here. We're gonna use this as a kitchen while our kitchen is getting built, and we're gonna replace, there's a fridge and a little mini freezer here, storage here, and then moving on, we have 2 bedrooms. I'm gonna show you the best part, which is, okay, we just got these carpets cleaned. It's brand new carpet, so we decided to keep it since it's the kids' room. And this is gonna be a really great room. Move another bedroom here. It's a little smaller, but just good size for guest room. So you ready for this? We're actually keeping this wallpaper, and check out the hot pink stone. So I'm gonna turn this into like a Baroque style Miami bathroom. So I'm gonna completely embrace the hot pink, which my husband hates pink and he loves this. He loves this bathroom. So we're gonna play around with this. This is gonna be fun. We're getting new floors. Let's do part 2. We're gonna take you upstairs.